Hey everyone, today's style is a fun bubble micro braid little girl hairstyle. So to start our style off, I'm just going to pull half of the hair up. And this takes me a little bit of time because I spend a lot of time adding spray gel and really trying to get any flyaways put in place so that when I put my elastic in, it's nice and straight and everything looks great with no bumps. So I'm using my favorite brush for slicking down hair that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm also going to use my comb to really brush that hair out. And then I'm taking some colorful elastics to tie the hair off, and I will link below where you can get my elastics and any other product I use in this video. So next I'm just going to clip that ponytail out of the way, and then I'm going to take about half of the remaining hair and I'm going to section it off, and again I'm going to spray the hair down and comb it through, and then I'm going to tie it off in another elastic. So my next step is to create my micro braids, which just means that I'm pulling off small sections of hair and braiding it. So I'm going to wet the hair down, that way there won't be any flyaways sticking out when I'm braiding. And I want to create about 5 or 6 braids from this one ponytail. The amount of braids you will have will depend on how big of sections you take and how many you want. So I'm just pulling off a tiny section of hair and I'm going to braid down. Now I'm not going to braid all the way down, but I'm going to braid far enough that I'm able to bubble it up and it'll fit in an elastic. Once I get braided down as far as I want, I'm just going to clip it off into place. And I sped up the video since I'm just doing the same braids. Once you have all your braids done, you want to hold all of your braids in one hand. And then before you take the clip out, you gently want to tug them up till you have them exactly how you want them. Once you have them in place, just take another elastic and put them on top there. And then with the remaining braids, I just kind of pull them out. And then I'm ready to go on to my next bubble. So I'm just going to take the rest of the hair, put it in a ponytail. And again, I'm going to do that same step, creating, I think I did 5 braids, but it might be 6. So I'm just going to create all my braids and put it into a clip. Now you may be wondering, why didn't I just do all the braids so that I don't have to re-braid here? Well, if I would have done that, I would have had the hair from the ponytail that's underneath this one, and so I would have had to redo some of the braids anyways. So that's why I did the braids twice. Now just make sure that you play around with it till you get it looking the way that you want them to look and all even and looking cute. And then I'm just going to put in my elastic, and you can still pull at them once your elastic is in place. I also think adding some bows looks really cute with this style, and I just love the way this turned out. I hope you guys like this one. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. We post 2 videos each week of brand new little girl hairstyles.